Hey, I'm Steve, and today I thought I would do my first cooking in the Dezin Electric Hot Pot, and I am going to cook an egg today. Let's see how this thing does. Okay, first things first, I'm going to spray it with some olive oil. All right, I got it plugged in and I'm setting it to the 150 watt setting. All right, I can feel the heat. Let's crack an egg. Oh yeah, that's doing nicely. Of course, we have to put a little salt and pepper on it. I love fried eggs, by the way. And I like them just a little bit runny. Let's test out the non-stickness. And there it's sliding around really good. If it was really good, I'd flip it up and flip it, but I'm not going to do that. All right, let's see if we can get it flipped. There we go. Didn't do too bad. All right, just depending on how you like your eggs, I would say this one is ready. I'm going to turn it off. All right, let me find a plate. All right, there is the first time that I have cooked in the Dezin Electric Hot Pot. And that's all that's remaining. And that looks like I could just wipe it out with a paper towel. Oh yeah, that is perfect. That's the way I like my eggs. Okay, yeah, perfect. So there you go, folks. The first time I have cooked in the Dezin Hot Pot. Did a great job. Did a great job on my egg. All right, if you're looking at this product, I hope you found this video helpful.